Hello, welcome to Easy Wonders. We are starting a new course in Python programming classes. We set a very easy course. Anyone can follow this course very easily. All the fundamentals of programming we covered in this one. By knowing all the basics, you can go to different programming languages. Actually, in this, we are teaching the exact concepts of programming language. By using Python, we explained everything. Also, in Python, we are using turtle graphics. By picturizing all the concept, students can easily understand what exactly happening during all such things. We are targeting specially for school students, but anyone who willing to know the basic concepts of programming, they can follow this course and come to know all the basics of programming. Also, we tried to make it very interesting by avoiding theories, all done as practical classes. That is, everything some codes will do and some practical things will do. You can follow that, you can see what it is happening. Based on that, we are explaining the programming concepts. So, student will become good in practically doing programming. At the same time, they will come to know all the concepts. Okay? I have chosen Python for this course. The reason is that one is the top language if we consider all the other languages. Okay? If you search in Google, everywhere you can see Python as the top programming language. You can see here Python undoubtedly top the list. Okay? Like that, here you can see towards data science. Here also I put Python as the #1 programming language overall. Also in job market, Python is the most demanding programming language in the USA job market in January 2020. In this IEEE site, you can see Python continues to be one of the best programming languages every developer should learn this year. The language is easy to learn. That is one of the important thing about Python. Python is very easy. You can study that as just a natural language. The coding is very easy. Like writing English, we can write codes. Just some difference only. So it is very easy to follow and study. At the same time, Python is #1. We can use for everything. For developing desktop applications, also web applications, machine learning, data science, network servers, gaming, everything we can use Python. You can see here everywhere which chosen as the first programming language. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, data science. In every such cases, Python takes the major role. Also, we can see wonderful applications like Google search engine developed by using Python. You can see Google company itself recognized Python as the official language. Also, Instagram also developed by using Python. YouTube also developed by using Python. Such every top applications, complicated applications also done by using Python. Now we are starting our course. For that, we must install Python in our system, right? Only you need to install Python, then you can use that for all our exercises and practices. Okay? For that, you can just search in Google download Python. Just by searching, you will get the Python site, python.org. You can see the python.org site itself. You can click on that. Then you will see download button. You will get the Python version for latest version. You can see here, download the latest version for Windows. Like that, if you are using Mac or Linux systems, you will get the corresponding Python version. Okay, just you can click here. By clicking there, it will get downloaded. After downloading, you can click on that one. Okay, actually I installed this Python in my system already. That is why I am showing like this. It will show to get ready for installation. You can click on install here, and the main thing you need to consider is you should tick here, that is add Python 3.7 to path. This should be ticked. Don't forget about that. Otherwise you won't get Python working correct. Okay, so you must click this one and click on next up to finish to complete the installation. That's all about the installation. Okay, after installation complete, you can just search here idle. Okay, you will get Python idle in your system. You can select it. That will get loaded. Okay, in that idle we are practicing Python. You can just practice there in Python idle. All the simple codes you can run there. You can see Python shell loaded here. You can practice here simply. 3 plus 4 7. 3 plus 4 is our input. We got by running that we got 7. Like that, 4 minus 2, getting answer 2. Okay, 4 minus 2. Then 4 into 2, that's 8. We got that answer. Okay, like that we can print something. print, print, in bracket you can write what we need to print. Hello world. Okay, this is our input, and you will get that input as printed here. Hello world, that one is printed. Okay, print is a function in Python, inbuilt function in Python. Just we can write print, and inside this one You can write anything that will get printed. Okay. Also you can do with some other operators too, like 5 less than 3, false. That is a Boolean operation, that is checking for whether 5 is less than 3. 5 is not less than 3, so it is a false statement, right? Like that, 4 less than 9, then it will be true. Like that also we will get. Okay. Like that, earlier we shown some small numbers multiplied and plus and minus. You can use some other 145 into 5. Any number, any big or small number, you will get multiplied and get the result. Okay. Such everything you just practice every type of multiplication, division, and every operators, less than, greater than, less than, equal to, such everything you can practice in this one. Okay, this is just some samples I shown here, and we will start the exact coding in the next class. Also I can show you turtle here. Actually we are using turtle mainly for explanation and all. So for that we can import turtle. We are importing turtle module of Python as T. We imported that turtle. Then T dot forward. We are forwarding turtle 100 units. Okay. You can see a picture drawn here, moved and drawn a line. Very simple, just one line I wrote for drawing this one. Like that, by using this turtle I will explain everything. Okay, I will go to details in the next class. Okay, anyway, you try all these things after completing this class, and if you have any doubts, you can ask that doubts, comment below in this below this video. And for getting the coming all classes, you don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon, and like the video and share to your friends also. Okay, anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time.